Halloween is coming up, so I thought we would learn how to make a Dracula shape on the Aerial Silks today. This shape is fairly beginner friendly. All you need to do is know how to lock a footlock on each foot, either from the ground or in the air. And of course, remember, whenever you're learning something for the first time, it's always better to have a safety mat underneath you. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to start by putting a separate lock on each foot. Again, you can do figure 8 foot lock if that is your preferred lock of choice. I'm going to do dancer locks today just because they are easier for me. Now, the reason I kind of gave myself a big pull up instead of climbing is because these silks are relatively short. If you can get a little more height, I do recommend. The more tail you have, the better this will look, but if you are still newer to silks, definitely try this on the ground first. So once those feet are locked and loaded, I'm going to face the leg, any leg, and then sink my booty backwards into the live end of the silks behind me. From there, I cross the back leg over the front leg and the front silks. Whichever knee is bent, I'm reaching down to grab that tail. I'm trying to bring the tail in the direction of whatever knee is bent. Be careful because the tail can have a little tendency to get stuck on your foot, so just make sure you lift it, clear your foot first, then start to separate it as you bring it behind you. Once I know I have enough of the tail behind me that I'm going to be able to reach it with my opposite hand, I keep it over my arm as I grab high on the live end of the silks in front of me, and then I use my other hand to reach behind me and grab the silks in front of me in the same spot. From there, I pull myself up so both legs are straight, and this is it. This is Count Dracula. You can do a bunch of fun wavy arm things to make yourself a little more spooky here. It's also nice if you have a friend to give you a little spin. To the left is a little video from when we were working on it in class, and I think it's cute. I think it would be a great way to start a piece off by everyone spinning. Or if you actually dressed up like Dracula or a ghost, it would make for a really good photograph. All right, when you've completed all of your Dracula wavy ghosty things, and you're ready to get out, all you have to do is sink back into the silks. Release the silks from your hand as you do it. Recross the leg. And then just get out of there like a normal person would. So make sure the silks are in front of you. As you uncross your leg, stand up and then take your foot locks off. All right, you guys, what do you say we do it again a little faster? So get those locks on. And by the way, if you are newer to dancer locks, I do have a tutorial on how to do those. Once they are on, face one leg, sit your booty back, cross your back leg in front of the other, and don't forget to cross it over the silks too. Bring the silks over your foot, separate it. Make sure it's over your arm and elbow first. That can take a little bit of finagling. The finagling is why I do recommend this as a starting shape. Grab the silks in front of you and then grab the rest of the tail with your other hand. Straighten both legs. I like to cross one in front of the other. Live your best Dracula life. I know, it's so anticlimactic without a spin. Anyway, when you are ready to come out, start to sit your booty back down. Throw those silks off of you dramatically. Get off of my shoulder. Get off of my shoulder. Sit down. And then come upright and get out of there. And listen, that's it for today. If you are an Aerial Silks teacher, this is a great little pose to teach your beginner silk students. So much fun. Also, if you like tutorials, please hit the like and subscribe button with the notification bell on. I do aerial silks and flexibility tutorials with the occasional random aerial hoop tutorial, because why not? And that's all for this one. Until the next time, have a fit and fabulous day. Bye-bye.